Some time ago I have reviewed the Trade Explorer Expert Advisor and I have placed it on my Darwinex live account where I have about $90,000 of capital, and so far I see positive results from the robot. If you look at my account history, you'll see that my profit since the 28th of July until the moment is over $600, and there were plenty of trades that I will go over in a second. And I know that some of you will say that that's not a lot of profit for 3 weeks in 90k account, which I will agree. But if you have missed my previous video, I'll leave a link down below in the description, because I said that I will test the robot with a very low risk settings, trading just with 0.01 on every currency pair that it trades on. So you can see that it has fixed lot of 0.01. Now remember that on Darwinex we need to achieve at least 2% monthly in order to get the allocation. If you go to Darwinex 0 and you go to capital allocation, you can get familiar with the program, but pretty much we pay monthly fee to have an account where we can trade live money. And if we perform well, if our expert advisor is profitable, we will get allocation. And the good thing there is no maximum daily drawdown or minimum trading days. You just need to go through the different stages and show that your expert advisor is profitable in the long term. Now with the calculator, we can see how much we would get as allocation if we have, let's say, 5% in the first month, so cumulative percent would be 0, and let's say we stick to -5 as drawdown. You will see that that is enough to get $25,000 as allocation. If you achieve another 2% on the next month, cumulative percent would be 7, and you are within the -5 drawdown, you will see that you're getting again 25 allocation. So the ultimate purpose here is to make 5% during the first month, and then if you can maintain 2% every consecutive month, you're getting allocation every month. Now if I go back to the MetaTrader platform, you'll notice that I have $618 of a profit in the account history, and with the open trades I have -923. So $600 in 93,000 account is definitely not a lot. And in my previous video about the Trade Explorer, I said that after I see the first results, which are actually pretty satisfying for me, I would increase the lots to 0.05, and then eventually I would increase it to 0.18. Now what I will do before changing the lots is I want to show you the detailed statement, so you'll see exactly how the robot performed. And here are all the trades that happened during the last 3 weeks, and down below we can see a very steady balance line with a drawdown that happened at about the 80th trade. But you can see that this drawdown is actually 0.35% or about 323, so it's not really a big deal for 90k account. I'll close the report and I will show you the trades, and you will notice that the maximum lot I got was 0.50 with Aussie dollar. I guess this is where the robot recovered the losing trades, and if I scroll higher you won't see another trade with such a big lot. So the Trade Explorer uses some kind of grid martingale system to recover the losses, which makes it obviously a risky expert advisor. That is why usually I would start trading with a very low risk settings, and I will slowly start increasing the loss until it meets my target of the account or the prop firm where I'm trading it. So what I will do now, I will increase the lot to 0.05. And why exactly to 0.05? Because for 3 weeks this expert advisor brought me $618, or that's an average of $200 per week. Now one more time, in the first month I wanna achieve 5% return, which is exactly 4,500, and if I divide this by 4, it means that I wanna achieve $1,125 per week. And because on average with 0.01 so far I had $200, it means that I have to increase the lots about 5.5 times or 6 times. Just to give it a little bit more space, I will increase it to 0.06, and I will do the very same thing for the rest as on the chart. So now I have set it to 0.06 for the 10 expert advisors on the 10 different currency pairs, and today is Sunday, so tomorrow on Monday I will see an increased trading volume, and I will be chasing 5% in the next 1 month in order to start getting the allocation. And that's, for me, is the right way to go. Once you purchase a new expert advisor, start with a very low risk settings and see what potentially you can achieve. After that, calculate how much you need to increase the lots or the risk so you will achieve your goal. And don't trust backtests, don't trust track records on my FX book. I know that I show a lot of track records and backtests on my videos, but for me personally, the most realistic test you can do is to put the expert advisor on the platform and see how it would perform in your real or demo account. If you want to see how the Trade Explorer will do in my Darwinex account with 0.06 lots, let me know down in the comments. I might consider recording another video. And before you go, check out this video if you have missed the Trade Explorer review. And now I wish you a wonderful day. As always, don't forget that I love you, and I will see you in the next video.